In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an ER diagram in Lucidchart. So there's actually a few ways you could approach this. The most default one, the most manual one, is to actually go to the left here and click on this template gallery. And then from here, you want to type in ER diagram, or just basically like this, so ER diagram. And then here you can see like you have a bunch of different options over here. Or you could go and type in entity and then relationship, and that's also going to work. You're going to have a bunch of different templates. You could go and use these if you want to, and they're going to get popped onto your screen. That's the first way. The second one is to actually go into shapes, and in here, again, you can search for like entity relationship. There we go. So we can just click on that and it's going to give you a bunch of different fields you can use. You could go and drag and drop them on here. You could go and customize these. You could type in whatever you want. As you can see here on the right, you can change the amount of fields you want to have. You could change like a bunch of formats, data, your layout, everything you actually want. And then you'll have everything you need here on the left hand panel. And if you need any more shapes, you could always click on here and find more of them. And then you'll be able to then create your own ER diagram that way. Now, of course, you could go and use your web or like maybe some chatbots like ChatGPT or Gemini for like maybe like ideation. You could go and get some ideas on how to create them, etc. But that's the most default and basic way. However, Lucidchart also has a AI feature. So if you go to the top left here and you click on Lucid AI, you could just type in like ER diagram and then for what you want it to be. So for example, I typed in ER diagram for a hospital system, which is just like an example, and within literally like less than half a minute, it gave me and generated a hospital system ER diagram. And if I click on it over here, it's going to go directly to it. This is what it actually created. Now, what's the best over here is that this is not set in stone. I could go ahead and move these things around. I could go and change them. I could go and basically change anything I want in here. As you can see, I can customize it. I can make my own from that. And then using a combination of AI and your own kind of expertise in that field, or like your own skills, your own kind of ideation, you could go and then generate the perfect ER diagram just using, of course, a combo of these things here inside Lucidchart. Now, if you need anything more to add here, you could also ask AI and it's going to help you out. So that's essentially how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.